Hello and welcome back to my channel. So like I said in my last video of these plaques that I wanted to change it up for each season, this theme I wanted to be more wintry since it's for the holidays. Using that same plaque, I've already placed my background and now I'm using the crafts felt for the borders of the inside of this plaque. You can get this for 98 cents at Walmart. And on here I'm just using glitter glue, the silver on the background, so that I can have that shimmer and it looks like snow flurries. And just by blow drying, it does not work. Glitter is very messy, but it is so pretty on everything. Right here, I was just trying to place everything to see how I liked it. And this is what I came up with. I wanted to see the village people singing a Christmas carol downhill as the children's uphill are playing in snow, while a deer was watching them as he was strutting on a mountain nearby. And as a crafter, your mind and thoughts is all over the place, so I just incorporated all three in one. I also added lights. This is the finished look, and I'm also doing a second plaque at the end. Please tell me which one you like the most, and if you like this first one, let me know in the comments below. On to my second wintry theme. I'm doing the same background color as my first one. And I'm going to use this gold glitter in this iridescent glitter because I wanted a lot of shimmer on this background for this theme. And right here I'm going to also incorporate my wreath onto the frame because my deer will be sitting on the frame. And I'm using tree fillers for the greenery on the wreath. So I'm just trying to figure out how I want everything on the wreath. And if you're wondering what I'm using for the snow, I'm using cotton balls. And I'm also going to frost the greenery and add more cotton to it. These little silver and white balls that I'm going to put on here, I bought those from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just adding lights. I also bought these fairy lights from the Dollar Tree, and they work really well. So next year I am going to make sure I buy a lot more than what I did this year. And now I'm just placing cotton on the part that I did not put the greenery because I do not want that to show. So I'm just adding little balls all over the wreath. It looked more like snow to me, so I wanted to put it all over the wreath on the background of the wreath where I'm going to place the deer. And as you can see, I had to stack 3 balls behind the deer so it will stand up. And I put glitter also on that little tree that I put on the wreath because it was looking just too plain to me, so I wanted a little shimmer on it too. And right here I'm just shredding the cotton and putting it where I would like it on the frame. I could have just left this as is and just put the silver and white balls right here on the background of the blue, but as you can see, I had to add those kids because I thought they were so cute playing and throwing snowballs. And I also put a light at the top so at night you can see the kids playing in the snow. This is an icicle that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And I did use more silver and white balls at the top for the snow. And this is what it looks like. If you like both DIY projects, please like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.